Hello, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today we are making a snack using bread, and it's called Dahiwala Bread. The detailed ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Please do check it out. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for the Dahiwala bread. First ingredient is bread. I've got 5 slices of brown bread here. I've got some grated ginger, thinly sliced onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves which I've chopped, turmeric powder, red chilli powder and salt, half a cup of curd, cumin seeds and asafoetida. Apart from this, we'll need oil to make the dish in. So let's start making the dish. So the first step, I've taken curd in a bowl. I'm going to add the red chilli powder, turmeric powder and salt to the curd. In here, I've sliced the bread into small pieces like this and kept it ready. Let's mix the curd with the rest of the ingredients. Once everything is mixed together, add in the bread pieces to the curd. Try and keep the bread pieces to a medium size so that they don't break. Now, coat the bread pieces with the curd mixture. Make sure it's coated well. Try and be gentle with it so that it doesn't break. Now it's coated well. We'll keep this aside and move to the second step. So the second step is to put a pan on fire, pour oil into it, and once the oil heats up, we'll add in the cumin and asafoetida. Allow the cumin to splutter. Cumins have splattered. Let's add in the curry leaves. Once that splutters, we'll add in the grated ginger. Let's cook the ginger for 3 minutes. Now, in goes the thinly sliced onion. We'll cook the onions until they are lightly brown. So the onions have started browning lightly. Let's go in with the bread mixture right now. Add into the pan. I'm adding little by little and mixing it well. And you want the bread to turn golden brown. Keep the flame on medium and let the bread cook and turn brown. This will take a few minutes. You can see the bread has turned golden brown in color and it's cooked from outside. Now let's add in the coriander leaves. Give it a toss. And I've switched off the gas. Dahiwala bread is ready. So Dahiwala bread is ready. This is a very simple and easy dish which can be made using ingredients available at home. Make sure you serve this hot. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.